Anna Hazare supporters waved black flags at Prime Minister Manmohan Singh this morning after he offered prayers at the Golden Temple in Amritsar. A dozen odd supporters had gathered outside the temple, shouted pro-Anna slogans Jan Lokpal Bill Lao, blaming the government for not enacting the Lokpal Bill. The demonstrations came barely hours after the Prime Minister sent out a strong New Year message, saying his government were committed to a strong Lokpal Bill. Reacting to those demonstration, Congress leader Rashid Alvi, black flags should be shown to the BJP for not supporting the Lokpal bill.
बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है, दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। जिन लोगों ने झंडे दिखाए उन्हें चाहिए कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं को वो झंडे दिखाएं। वही जिम्मेदार हैं कि लोकपाल बिल पार्लियामेंट के अंदर पास नहीं होने दिया। हमारी लोकसभा के अंदर मेजॉरिटी है, हमने पास किया। राज्यसभा के अंदर हमारी मेजॉरिटी नहीं है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने पास नहीं होने दिया। ये काले झंडे उन्हीं नेताओं को दिखाने चाहिए जो इसके लिए जिम्मेदार।
Anna Hazare has been admitted to a hospital in Pune for treatment. He is suffering from severe chest congestion. The 74-year-old activist has been suffering from a viral infection even before he undertook his fast on December 27, which was subsequently called off the next day. Doctors who examined Anna advised his hospitalization for proper treatment and speeder recovery.
में काफी कंजेशन था, ब्रोंकाइटिस जैसे था और श्वास लेने में छोड़ने में तकलीफ थी और कल रात से अभी उनमें उनके प्रकृति में सुधार लग रहा है। यहाँ लाने के दो कारण थे, एक तो उनको चेस्ट इन्फेक्शन क्लियर करना है और दूसरा उनको विश्रांति यानी रेस्ट देनी है। ये दोनों हिसाब से वहाँ लाके उनको यहाँ लाके
Samajwadi Party President Mulayam Singh Yadav's mega rally in Azamgarh has been cancelled, courtesy the weather. It has been raining continuously in Azamgarh since morning. Mulayam Singh was scheduled to kickstart his UP election campaign today. His party is hoping to improve its tally from 6 seats in the region, dominated by the BSP. A fire broke out at noon on the 7th floor of the APJ house at Park Street in Kolkata. 12 fire engines have been rushed to the spot. One person has been injured and has been rushed to the hospital. The fire is said to have started on the 7th floor of the commercial building. Incidentally, the building is located near the landmark Stephen Court building, which was devastated by a major fire last year that claimed 43 lives. The Bollywood is brimming with movies in the coming year. More on that when we come back.